Hey guys, you want to see something really cool? This. They have the limestone, the iron ore, the coal, ore cores, and the changing hole. The cutaway shows the stack inside the furnace. And check this out. Here's the stack. The burning action takes place in this bosh, however you say it. And you have the tap holes are plugged with clay. They are unplugged when slag and iron are ready to pour out. There's the damn stone and the sand mold called pigs. The pig iron loaded on cars to go to railroad or canal. The George Creek Coal and Iron Company, 1837 to 1855. And here's all about it. Read all about it. Lots to read about it. The furnace was operated from, I already said, the 1839 to 1855. It had 260 workers were employed, turning over about 60 ton of pig iron per week. The original plan of the George Creek Coal and Iron Company had been to transport the pig iron by horse and wagon to Williamsport, Maryland, where it would be shipped on the canal to Washington, D.C. In 1815, when the B&O Railroad was completed to Cumberland, the pig iron was taken on tram cars to Claryville, then loaded on B&O cars to go to its destination. So anyway, I could just keep on going here, but instead I am going to go over here and I'm going to film this spectacular furnace. This is just extraordinaire, I say. Extraordinaire. It just looks like a pyramid. Wow. I'm going to go, since I'm on this side, I'm going to go over here first. Cool, guys. This is like cool. Check this wall. This is just like dug out a mountain or a very high hill. It's got like a little ledge going across. And what does it have in here? Mud. I think I'll pass going through there. And there's a little crevice of some sort for some purpose. But I really can't say the purpose, but there's obviously a purpose. Another little crevice. I'm going to speculate that that's maybe where they pulled the cart through there. That has, that's just maybe a walkway. I don't know. That's maybe just a walkway to get around. just very, very nice. Look at these tiny little brick. Look how small. They are wee wee. First successful coke-fired iron furnace in America. I'm going to pass going over on this side because the mud.